When selecting the right exchange in the global cryptocurrency market, the criteria are clear: market continuity and ample liquidity. Today, we will be reviewing Hotcoin. It is a prominent global cryptocurrency exchange that has been operating in the international market since 2017 and currently hosts a massive community of more than 5 million users worldwide. Why Hotcoin, you might ask? I can give you these 3 key facts: experience, global access, security, and licensing. Unlike many new generation exchanges, Hotcoin has proven its operational success in both bear and bull markets. It is based in Australia, and being based in Australia is an important detail. They are active in more than 180 countries. How high the trading depth and liquidity are on the exchange. It already demonstrates this. When we look at the site's interface, we are greeted by a very minimalist and functional design. Upon opening the application, you will immediately see a very simple, intuitive, and user-friendly interface. That is all. However, the real and most significant difference lies in the transaction costs and the impressive speed offered to every user. That is to say, consistently low commissions combined with exceptionally high processing speeds for all your trades. This ensures a seamless experience. Now let's see how you can become a part of this world. In other words, let's complete the registration process in just seconds. There's a registration section at the top right corner. So how do we enter this advantageous world? The registration process is incredibly simple. You can create an account in seconds either with your email address or your phone number. So you don't need to deal with complicated forms. No, you don't. Set your password. Enter your verification code and you're done. That's how quickly you're ready to start using the platform. When you are registering your account, please don't forget to enable essential security measures like two-factor authentication, such as SMS verification, to ensure that your personal information remains safe. Hotcoin is very sensitive about this security matter and strongly recommends that you utilize all of these available options to fully protect your digital assets and account safety. To start, let's take a look at the depth measurements. There aren't just major cryptocurrencies here. More than 500 assets are listed. You can especially find newly emerging projects here before they appear on mainstream exchanges. The interface is very smooth. You can track prices in real time. Let's take a look at the trading screen. This is the most important area for a trader. Look, the screen is very familiar. There are panels, charts, and order books here. Transactions are executed very quickly. And most importantly, the commission rates. They are lower than many major exchanges in the market. This is also a big advantage. Another feature that professionals love is that Hotcoin offers leverage up to 200 times. Of course, high leverage means high risk, but for those looking for flexibility, this is a great feature. Let's take a look at passive income. We're not just trading. We're also putting our money. to work. You can earn interest income here by locking your coins. Also, be sure to follow the Launchpad section. You can secure your spot early by participating in new sales here. In addition to those features, in terms of overall security, they've been around ever since they were first established back in 2017. They utilize highly secure multi-signature vaults and industry-standard cold storage for all assets. Thanks to their global licenses, they serve more than 5 million people. Now let's move on to one of the most striking features of the exchange: copy trading. Make copy trades. The logic is simple. If you don't have time to do chart analysis, or if you're new to the market, this feature is perfect for you. Here you can see the history and past performance of the most successful traders on Hotcoin. You can transparently see their win rates and risk levels. To put it in another way, with the simple click of a single button, you can easily set it so that every one of the trades made by these highly experienced professional traders are seamlessly and automatically mirrored directly to your own personal account. So while you go about your daily business, a professional trader's strategy works on your behalf. However, it's always worth reminding, please keep in mind that this information does not constitute professional investment advice, and you also need to carefully manage your personal risk exposure and financial limits whenever you are doing copy trading. The Hotcoin platform has designed this entire process to be both fully transparent and so incredibly easy that anyone can use it effectively without requiring technical knowledge or background. Next up is the Map Protocol 3 wallet. One of the most cutting-edge features that distinguishes Hotcoin from others is the introduction of this new Map 3 tab. This is actually a decentralized wallet and portal within the exchange itself. Here, you're not just simply engaging in trades on a centralized exchange. At the very same time, you can seamlessly manage and organize your entire NFT collection, effortlessly connect to decentralized applications across a wide variety of diverse blockchain networks, and keep all of your digital assets completely and securely under your own personal control. Full control, full security. In other words, Hotcoin provides you with the unique advantage of both the rapid speed of a centralized exchange and the freedom of the Map3 world, all available in a single platform. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.